Want to make an extra $1,000 every single month? Forget delivery apps and low-pay gigs. Today I'll show you 7 real skills you can learn in 30 days and sell immediately. Skill number 1 is AI content repurposing. Most businesses post long YouTube videos, but they have zero short-form content for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts, and they desperately need it. Here's what you do. Use free AI tools to cut one long video into 30 short clips. Then charge each business client $300. Get just 4 clients and you're already over $1,000. The easiest way to start is to DM 20 businesses today. Tell them you'll turn their last 3 videos into 90 shorts for free. 2 of them will pay you next week guaranteed. Skill number 2 is AI graphic design. Every single business needs social media posts every week, but most owners don't have time to design them and they can't afford a full-time designer. Spend 2 days learning Canva plus ChatGPT prompts. Then sell packages of 10 custom posts for $150 each. If you sell 10 packages in a month, that's already $1,500. Don't wait online. Walk into 10 local businesses in your city. Show them 3 free post designs on your tablet. Close 3 clients at $500 per month and you're done. Skill number 3 is AI resume and LinkedIn rewriting. Job seekers are desperate right now, and they will happily pay $200 to get more interviews and land a job faster. Use ChatGPT to rewrite resumes in 30 minutes instead of 3 hours. Post your service on Fiverr and LinkedIn. If you do 5 resumes every week, that's $1,000 every single month. Go where job seekers are hanging out. Join Facebook groups and Reddit communities. Offer them this promise. Get 3 times more interviews in 48 hours. People will pay you immediately. Skill number 4 is Notion plus AI system setup. Most businesses are completely drowning in chaos with Google Docs, spreadsheets, and random notes scattered everywhere with no real organization system. Build them a client tracker, content calendar, and standard operating procedures inside Notion. Then add AI to automate tasks. Charge $800 for the setup and deliver it in 1 week. You only need 2 clients per month to hit your goal. That's $1,600. Film the process once, save it as a template, and reuse it for every new client after that. The best clients for this are coaches and marketing agencies. They have money but zero organization. Send 10 direct messages per day. Book 2 calls and you will close at least 1 deal. Skill number 5 is AI email copywriting. Every business needs email campaigns, but almost all of them write boring emails that nobody opens and that definitely don't make them any sales. Learn to write a 5-email welcome sequence using AI in 1 afternoon. Charge $500 per sequence. Land just 2 clients per month and you've already made your extra $1,000. Start on Fiverr and Contra to get reviews fast. Undercut big agencies by 70% but deliver in 3 days using AI. Stack up 5-star reviews and raise your prices every month. Skill number 6 is AI product photography. E-commerce brands need 50 new product photos every month, but they hate paying thousands of dollars to hire a professional photography studio. Take product photos with your phone. Then use AI tools to make them look like a $10,000 studio shoot. Charge $400 for every 20 photos you deliver to clients. Direct message 30 Shopify store owners on Instagram. Tell them you'll redo 5 product photos completely free. 3 of them will hire you. That's $1,200 right there in 1 week. Skill number 7 is AI tutoring and coaching. Thousands of people want to learn how to use ChatGPT for their job, but they don't know where to start and they need a teacher. Run a $200 workshop every weekend called AI for your job. Get just 5 people to join. That's $1,000 every month from only 4 hours of work total. Post 1 AI tip every single day on TikTok and Instagram. Teach people 1 ChatGPT prompt that saves 10 hours. Build authority and let clients come to you instead of chasing them. Here is your 30-day action plan. Week 1, pick just 1 skill and learn it. Week 2, get 3 free clients for testimonials and proof so people trust you. Week 3, raise your prices and post all your testimonials everywhere. Week 4, Systemize everything with templates so you can deliver in 20 minutes and only work 10 hours total. The secret isn't working harder or more hours. The secret is selling one outcome to a business, then using AI to deliver that outcome in 20 minutes instead of 5 hours. Stop trading your time for money like a job. Start selling results and outcomes instead. Any business owner will pay $1,000 to get more clients instead of paying for hours. You don't need to learn all 7 skills. Just pick one single skill. Get really good at it. Get 5 paying clients. That alone will pay you an extra $1,000. The people making an extra $1,000 every month aren't any smarter than you. They just decided to start this week. If you wait, you'll be in the same place next year. So which skill are you going to pick and start this week? Drop it in the comments below. Subscribe for more real money skills, and I'll see you in the next video.